Hey guys, welcome back to my video. I'm going to teach you how to be a master of advanced VLOOKUP. Alright, I hope all of you know that there are many kind of the parameter in customization of the VLOOKUP. And there are not only one or two type of the VLOOKUP, there are 24 type of the VLOOKUP. I hope this is going to be very much informative for you. This is from starting basic level to till advanced level. I'm going to be teach you on the how to use the VLOOKUP. If you watch this video, I am going to be give you the 100% guarantee that if you get any kind of the formula, either if you get any kind of the situation to be apply the formula for the VLOOKUP based, then you are going to be do this within a minute, either a fraction of a seconds. All right, so this is the very much informative video, so don't miss out this series guys. I'm going to create one video for one part of these videos, one part of this VLOOKUP to how to be a master, how to apply a formula like a master. Thank you so much guys, don't miss out this video. I'm going to be start from very much basic VLOOKUP to till advanced VLOOKUP. There are many kind of the VLOOKUP parts like general VLOOKUP, backward either reverse VLOOKUP, last matching lookup with timestamp, without timestamp, positional VLOOKUP, and so many more things. Thank you so much. Please share this video and do not miss out this series. It's going to become within a week. All the videos are going to be uploaded in my channel. Thank you so much.